Hey guys, how's it going today? All right, we're gonna do our last lesson and then you guys are going to do the assignment. I'll go over the assignment with you guys tomorrow and then you're gonna get into your project for this unit. And next week we will be doing our unit exam. So let's take a look at volume. First off, what is the difference between volume and surface area? Surface area is the sum of the areas of all the faces of the solid. Okay, it is measured in square units. Okay, and we represent that with a little 2 beside our units. Volume is the number of cubic units. And we represent that with a little 3 above our units, okay, that make up a solid, okay? So in other words, when you have a 3D object or a solid, okay, surface area is the outside and volume is the inside, how much it can be filled, okay? Volume and capacity can be expressed as any length unit cubed. Converting between SI and imperial volume units is the same process as making conversions between imperial lengths. We've done lots and lots of practice with conversions, okay? Again, your formula sheet is going to come in handy. If you've lost that, I've put one up in our classroom. Number 1, find a conversion factor. So this is what one unit converts to another unit. So what it becomes, okay? Set up a conversion and solve. So example 1, what volume of water in fluid ounces could be held in a container that has a capacity of 40 milliliters? Well, if I look at my formula sheet, 1 fluid ounce, and that's how you represent fluid ounce so that you don't have to write it all out, is equal to 29.573 milliliters. So I have 40 milliliters. I can divide that by my 29.573, and it's going to give me a total of, let me just put this in really quickly, 40 divided by 29.573 is equal to 1.35 fluid ounces, okay? A cube that has a capacity of 1 centimeters cubed can hold 1 milliliter. So 1 centimeter cubed is equal to 1 milliliter, okay? That's important to know so that when you are measuring things in a length measurement, you can convert it into a volume measurement, okay? So example 2, a rectangular prism has a capacity of 34 inches cubed. In milliliters, what is the volume? So first off, pay attention that this is in inches, and we know that 1 centimeters cubed is equal to 1 milliliter. So I first need to convert this into centimeters. Based on my formula sheet, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters, okay? So first thing I need to do is I need to take my 34 inches and times that by 2.54, which is going to give me 86.36. So I now have 86.36 centimeters cubed instead of inches cubed, okay? And I know that 1 centimeter cubed is equal to 1 milliliter. So this is going to equal 86.36 milliliters, okay? All right, moving on now to the following page, the next page, page 21. Calculate volume. The volume of a 3D shape can be thought of as adding up the total number of small cubes in a shape. Okay, so if I were to sit here and count all the little cubes in a shape, I would be calculating the volume. Okay, the number of squares in the shape can be found by multiplying, this is important, the total in the base, here's my base, so 5, by the height of the shape. This is true for any shape. So 5 times 3, okay, here is my base. So I know that 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So I have 15 cubes in my base. And if you don't believe me, we can count the top layer because it's the same thing. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, okay? So multiplying the two sides, the width times the length, is going to give me my base. Then I can times it by my height, and that's going to do all my rows. So 15 times 4 is equal to 60. So I have 60 cubes. Okay. So now for example 3, find the volume of the following shapes. Okay. So volume for a cylinder is pi times radius squared times the height. Okay, so I've got 3.14 times my radius is 5 inches squared. 5 inches squared times 3 feet 4 inches. So first, let's convert this into inches so that I have all inches, okay? So again, I have 3 feet, so 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, okay? 3 times 12 is 36. 3 times 12 is equal to 36, plus 4 is equal to 40 inches, okay? So times 40. So I've got 3.14 times 25 times 40, okay? So again, I need to make sure that when I'm calculating volume that I'm in a form that I can calculate properly. Okay, so 3.14 times 25 times 40 is going to give me, my volume is 3,140 inches cubed. Okay, now for a rectangle, okay, a rectangular prism, it is volume is equal to length times width times height. But again, be careful because right here I've got 6.5 meters and here I've got centimeters. So I need to make sure that I change those into centimeters. Okay, so 6.5 meters is 6 meters times 100 is 600. So I've got 650 meters, or centimeters, sorry, 650 centimeters. Okay, so my length is 650 times 6 times 6 is going to give me my volume. So 650 times 6 gives me 23,400 centimeters cubed, or I can divide that by 100 and it gives me 234 meters cubed. Either or works. Okay, so